Milk is one of the world's most essential natural ingredients. But before it becomes cheese, it goes through a carefully controlled industrial process. Inside a modern dairy factory, fresh milk arrives in sealed stainless steel tanks. It is immediately tested and filtered to ensure purity, safety, and consistent quality. Next, the milk is gently pasteurized. This heating process removes harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's natural structure. After pasteurization, the milk is cooled to the perfect temperature for cheese production. Starter cultures are then added. These beneficial bacteria begin transforming lactose into lactic acid, shaping the cheese's flavor and texture. A precise amount of rennet is introduced next. This causes the milk to thicken and slowly set, forming a soft gel known as curd. Once fully coagulated, the curd is carefully cut into uniform pieces. As the curds separate, liquid whey is released and drained away. The curds are gently stirred and heated, allowing them to firm up. This step determines the final moisture content and texture of the cheese. The curds are then transferred into molds and pressed. Pressure removes excess whey and gives the cheese its final shape. After pressing, the cheese is salted. This enhances flavor, improves texture, and helps preserve the product. The cheese is now ready for aging. Stored in climate-controlled rooms, it matures slowly over time, developing its unique taste and character. Before packaging, every cheese undergoes strict quality inspection. Only products that meet exact standards move forward. Finally, the cheese is sliced, sealed, and packaged for distribution. From fresh milk to finished product, every step is guided by precision, hygiene, and expertise. This is how cheese is made, at an industrial scale.